Hey there, welcome back to the channel. And today we are back with another rack store pickup. As you guys can see from the opening footage, my local TJ Maxx was absolutely stocked, but I grabbed one fragrance from what I saw, and this is a rare find. This is something that I have never seen personally at the rack store. The scent I'm talking about is Bulgari Aqua Marine. And I ended up paying, it was hard to see the prices with everything going in the cases now. They seem to all be transitioning. Marshall's, TJ Maxx, all putting their fragrances in the cases because I'm sure they're getting stolen all the time. But I ended up paying $59.99. And this is for the 50 ml, which is a fair price. You're probably not going to find it much cheaper than that for a 50 ml. And the 100 ml in most places is probably going for like $20 or $30 more than that. I think this is a discontinued fragrance. I'm almost positive, but it's fairly accessible through online discounters. I'll be sure to link it down below. I'm curious to see if I'm going to like this one because some of these aquatics, these authentic aquatic fragrances do not work on my skin. Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Eau Intense does not work on my skin. Aqua Atlantique, another flanker to this, does not work on my skin. Some people describe having like a rotten egg smell on their skin when they use something that has that oceanic salty authenticity. As I always do, I'm going to get this on strip, try it, see what I pick up, what notes I pick up, get it on skin, see how much it changes, and then let you guys know ultimately if this is something worth grabbing. I'm excited to try this. Let's get into it. So I actually own Aqua Amara from Bulgari, which is the orange and brown type of bottle. That was actually kindly sent to me by a subscriber, Benjamin. Shout out to Benjamin. But they're all similar bottles, and this one is no different. And, you know, I kind of think it's a cool bottle, but what is annoying about this is that it's hard to sort of display on a shelf. You kind of have to just lay it down. There's not really much you can do with it. But let's take a look at the atomizer and see how that looks. Really nice atomizer on this. Not too bad. So let me grab a strip and we will get to testing. So in the air, I'm getting really authentic sea breeze type vibes, which I really like. And as I mentioned, with all those other fragrances that I've tried that don't work on skin, I really like off of the strip and on clothes. Just on my skin, they don't work. Something happens, the chemistry of my skin, and these fragrances just don't work. Aqua Amara, it actually does work. Great atomizer on this. So let's see what this smells like off of the strip. First impressions, I've never smelled this before. Okay, so I'm getting some type of citrus up top, really fresh, a little bit sweet. Smells like it could be orange, like a mandarin orange or lemon or something. Smells like, yeah, it's really pleasant, really nice, a little musky. You have some woods. It reminds me of being by the beach, like the breeze coming off of the beach. We have a lot of those near here. I grew up on the beach, going to the beach down the Cape, and I'm getting that vibe from this. It's really nice. Wow, I'm excited to try this on skin. I'm going to take a look at the notes really quickly, let you guys know what's in here, get it on skin, and see how much it changes. I hope this holds up because I like this one. The notes for Bulgari Aqua Marine. Top notes are grapefruit, neroli, mandarin orange, and petitgrain. Mid notes are water notes, seaweed, and rosemary. And the base notes are Virginia cedar and amber. Okay, much more floral off of the skin right off the bat. I'm still picking up that sweet citrus. It's not as prominent on the strip as it is off of my skin. That neroli, that petitgrain, definitely there. Wasn't getting any of that off of the strip, but off of skin, it's almost night and day. So it's much more floral up top. So far, so good on the eggy smell. I'm not quite getting that. It is a little bit aquatic and salty, but it's subdued. It's subtle. It's, as I said, I'm getting much more floral. Let's see how this changes as this dries. Okay, so as this is drying down a bit, I am getting a little bit more of that sea aquatic. So, you know, it's not my favorite scent accord. And I don't necessarily know why. I don't know if everyone gets that personally. I think when people are describing rotten egg smell, I don't think it's rotten eggs per se. It still smells okay. You know, I can deal with this scent. It's just not my favorite thing. Yeah, and as it dries down, I'm getting a little more, it's a little more reminiscent of something like a Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Eau Intense. So that is disappointing for me personally because it smelled really amazing off of the strip, really like an authentic sea breeze, and now it's just coming across a little oceany to me, a little too seaworthy, so to speak. I do like the touches of that cedar and that amber. It does have a slight warmth to it, which is an interesting sort of juxtaposition of the fresh aquatic and that amber. It's really nice, actually. I like that element to this. I am definitely going to need to wear this one. As I always do, I'm going to give it a full wear and let you guys know a little bit more about the longevity, the performance, and overall my final thoughts on it when I wear it this week and talk about it in my weekly wears video. I'm not wearing a scent today. Maybe I'll wear this. It is kind of rainy out. I'm going to be around the house working from home, so might be a good time to actually wear this one. But overall, I think this is a nice fragrance. Again, not something that you see often in the rack store. It smells of high quality. It doesn't smell cheap or synthetic. There is an authenticity to this that I really appreciate. There are some more green elements coming out as I sniff this off of my hand. And again, I don't know if it's seaweed per se. That ocean vibe is there, 1000%. And it also has this kind of slight sweet musky nature to it as well. So overall, I think a really nice scent. If you guys are fans of fragrances like the Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Eau Intense line, you will probably like this one as well. Not too bad. Don't know if this is necessary for me yet. I will be wearing it. Aqua Perfume Marine from Bulgari. That's all I have today, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below. Have you tried this fragrance? Have you tried anything from the Bulgari Aqua line? I'd be curious to know if it works on your skin. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you like what you saw today, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell notification so you are updated whenever I upload new content. But until then, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.